Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, December 2nd. This is David, and let's take a quick look at the S&P 500 here. I'm zoomed in here to a 5-minute chart because I want to talk about this move up that we've had from the November 15th low and also tie it into the larger advance from the early August lows. I'm expecting that this bull move has pretty decently further to go. That's based on the Elliott wave view, a view that we combine with Fibonacci and the voodoo lines to take on the full voodoo perspective of these moves. And from that perspective, I think we can look upwards so long as this November 15th low is not taken out. So bullish so long as we stay above there from an Elliott wave perspective, from a voodoo roadmap perspective. We're above the most important of the voodoo lines levels, this voodoo fire line. Now, getting above some smaller degree levels like this 60, 91, and 74-cent skyline, those sorts of things that would keep the bullish view intact. But until then, look, we could get a pullback at any time. And so, the worry here is, what if we get a pullback and it just keeps going? Well, as mentioned, I'm expecting us to hold this low, but we can also look at that voodoo fire line, that all-important fire line. Let's just say, for the sake of argument, that a small degree move from that November 15th low is done at today's high. It doesn't need to be, but I don't have reason to insist it continues. Well, a typical retrace, and remember, if we're pulling back, we would expect just a partial retrace, not taking out that November 15th low. Well, the 61.8 retrace from today's fresh all-time high, if we pull back a little bit for a few days, right? 61.8 retrace is at 59.28. 59.25 is that voodoo fire line. So let's start to get a little bit nervous if we break and just keep pushing down from that voodoo fire line. But something, especially if it's kind of choppy, zigzaggy to the downside and comes back up, holding either above or above that fire line or poking a little bit below, that would be a nice pullback to get back in. Tough to buy up at these lofty levels without a pullback. So let's see if we can't test this fire line level and use that as a spot to get back in. So I hope you found that useful, and I will see you next Monday's update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.